suggestion. But Blaster is a copyright from Star Wars? Nah, I don't think so. They cannot copyright everything. Probably they have copyrighted the Millennium Falcon name, but we can call it always Century Falcon. The time is from Star Wars. Yeah, well. So we can use it. In the end, Ether is like Han Solo, but he is Chewbacca in itself. No, it's the bastard son of Chewbacca and Han Solo. It's either Solo. That would be cool. Either Solo. Okay, so I need to create another layer. Scrolling, but it doesn't need to be scrolling. It needs to be only there, which is a fog. I'm gonna create an empty object. I'm gonna call it a static fog, just for me to remember later that it doesn't move. Instead of a mesh, I'm gonna put a sprite renderer, of course. I'm gonna put the sprite with this one. Really, it is huge. But what it needs to be, it needs to be to scale also. It needs to be the scale because for every resolution, then more. Okay, well, anyways, in level base, the sorted layer to actually decide where it's going to appear. This needs to be behind the rocks. So this is level 1, level 0, yeah, okay. Saving, checking. As you can see here, it is not rescaled to match the size of my screen, so it needs to go to the resolution manager. Another one, static fog. There you go. Cross your fingers that this works. Your finger. Yes, it is working. You cannot appreciate it so much, but fair enough. I don't care. Everything is about the subtle design. Good. Perfect. Then the lava background. So far we have these PG stars. We will need to have this. Yeah. Copy this merge, paste into a new one. Yeah, I'm gonna save this as PNG, JPEG, it doesn't matter. In the end, Unity will interpret, will read this image and make it again, so it doesn't matter, but maybe JPEG will be better. Very high, maybe. Yeah. Put one because I pretend to do this thing. And export it again. To make the following trick. We plan to put the two textures one after the other one and then move them so slow that actually it gives you the impression that the ball is so far away on the back. Then that will create the effect of having the ball, the lava ball in the middle whenever you reach the final boss, and then you will see the final boss. So we have environment textures, Lavananka. And these two, I'm going to import them. This needs to be imported in a normal way. They are normal 2D sprites, so nothing fancy here, no advanced or whatever, just a sprite 2D and UI. It's a single. We don't need bitmaps, and it's not gonna be compressed properly. Boom. Oh yeah, it is. Brilliant. And this one as well. Okay. So this is the first background. I'm gonna put this one here. Huge. I'm gonna match it with the screen. More or less. Okay, service 65. And now move to the right. The planet is gone. I'm gonna leave it there anyways. It's gonna be gone. I'm gonna create another. No, I'm gonna duplicate this one. I'm gonna make it a child. I'm gonna call it lava background 2. I'm gonna put this one. This one is going to be first. So then if I move this one, everything will move. Space there. Much better. This is going to move like this somehow till the moment that is in the middle. I will need to adjust that now by the old technique of just checking and testing, but it would do. The only thing I need to adjust is this starting speed, and of course tell the level generator that it needs to move the layer. It's already there because I just renamed one, so maybe it's gonna go too fast. I foresee that, but it's okay. No, I was wrong, not too fast, too slow. Too slow. Actually, I need to move as the CD 007, 001, probably 005 would do. Yeah, something like that, then